Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing Pop Adventure Frozen 2 and Series 2. So I didn't unbox Series 1, but I am gonna unbox Series because I didn't find Series 1. So we have here three different colors. Here we have this blue-ish color, like kind of like a little darkish blue. Here we have like a light blue, and here we have teal, and we have here purple. So I'm super excited to open these pop-up toys. Let's get started. Let's start with the most odd one, which is this one. So let's open it up. Before we open it up, these are the characters.
So we have here, who was it? Anog, Elsa from Frozen 2, Anna from Frozen 2, Earth the Giant, Rooney, Ryder, Heimer, and Kristoff, and the Troll. And here we have Elsa and Anna from Frozen 1. And the beginning of the movie kind of looked like this. And we have Olaf. I'm super excited.
I really want these three, or if I don't want these two, I'll just get the Frozen 2 ones. I really want those. Let's get started. So from where should we open it? Oh yeah, here's a cow. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Kind of hard. Okay, oops. Reveal the toy. Closed it up, so let's unbox. I think you have to press from this side. 3, 2, 1, pop! Oh my goodness, it had confetti. Okay, that's why I see confetti here. So this is our character. Let's feel it a bit. I'm not pretty sure, but maybe it's Olaf. Ooh, feels like paper inside also. Okay, I think it's Elsa. Please be Elsa. It's Elsa. She's tiny, like tiny. Yep, this is her, and it is super duper tiny. At least she can sit, and nothing more. She can only sit. This is her cape. This is her normal hairstyle braid. Just only the movement is sit. Okay, so I'm happy with the first one. Let's open this one next. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one opened way more easily than the other one. So I'm really carefully, I'm going to take this out. 3, 2, 1, explode! Whoa. So this is our second character. Feels different. I kind of feel like Kristoff. Let's see, please do something good. It is Kristoff! Like, I don't even know it. Please be Anna. Please be Anna next. They're actually super duper small. Like, if you see at this book, they're barely even smaller than the book. Our last item. Law. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it was a fail. But I think it feels weird. It's like a troll feeling. It's the Earth Giant. Okay, we have this part moving. And, yep, only the arms moving. The Earth Giant, sorry. So these are the three characters we got. I really wanted Olaf and Anna, but it's okay. They're still pretty cool. At least we got Elsa, Kristoff, and Earth Giant. They're so cute. So I hope you like this video. Please remember to subscribe and share this video.